At the cafe.
Can I ask you something?
Sure. What's up?
Be honest. Do I sound strange when I speak English?
No, not at all. You sound clear.
Really? Yesterday, I spoke to a customer and he looked confused.
Maybe he was just tired. What did you say to him?
I wanted to say, I'll bring your coffee right away. But I think I said, I bring your coffee now.
That's okay. He still understood you, right?
I think so, but I felt embarrassed.
Don't be. Everyone makes small mistakes, even native speakers.
Do you make mistakes too?
Of course. Yesterday, I wrote te instead of the 3 times.
Okay, that helps. How can I get better though?
Try to slow down a little when you talk.
Use short sentences. For example, I'll bring your coffee soon. Simple and correct.
That does sound easier. Could we practice after work?
Sure, let's do 10 minutes every day.
10 minutes a day? I can do that.
Great! We'll start today on our break.
Thanks, Jack. I already feel more confident. Neighbor borrowing sugar.
Hi, sorry to bother you.
Hey there, no problem. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm your new neighbor in 2B. I just moved in this morning.
Oh, welcome to the building. I'm Jake, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jake. I'm Emma. This is a little embarrassing. I'm making tea and I just realized I have no sugar.
That happens a lot on the first day. Do you want to borrow some?
Yes, please. Just enough for 1 or 2 cups.
No problem at all. I'll grab it from the kitchen. Do you prefer white sugar or brown sugar?
White sugar is perfect, thank you.
Here you go. This small bowl should be enough.
Thank you so much. I'll bring it back later.
Don't worry about it. You can keep it for today.
That's really kind. Moving here felt a bit scary.
I understand. A new place can feel strange. If you need coffee, salt, or even tape, just knock.
Really? That makes me feel much better.
Of course, we try to be friendly on this floor.
Then I'm happy I chose this building.
Me too. Nice to have a new neighbor.
Thanks again for the sugar, Jake.
You're welcome, Emma. Enjoy your tea.
I will. See you around.
See ya.
At a local event.
Hi, excuse me.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I saw the posters for the street festival. Is it happening today?
Yes, it starts this evening at 6 o'clock.
Great. Do I need a ticket to get in?
Yes, you do. You can buy tickets here at the booth.
Okay. How much is one ticket?
It's $10 for adults and $5 for children.
Is there a family ticket as well?
Yes, a family pass is $30 for 2 adults and up to 3 kids.
That helps. I am here with my son. What time does the music start?
The first band starts at 6:30. The main concert begins at 8.
And what kind of music is it?
Mostly pop and light rock. Nothing too loud.
Nice. My son is 10, so that sounds perfect. Are there food stalls as well?
Yes, there are food trucks with burgers, tacos, and ice cream.
Then my son will be very happy.
Most children go straight to the ice cream.
I believe that. I think we'll come tonight.
Great. Would you like to buy your tickets now?
Yes, please. 1 adult and 1 child ticket.
Okay, that will be $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your tickets.
Thanks for all the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy the festival tonight.
We will. Have a nice day.
You too. At the gym.
Hi there. Welcome to PowerFit Gym.
Hi, I want to ask about a membership.
Sure. Are you new to this gym?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Great. How many days a week do you want to come?
Maybe 3 or 4 days.
Then our monthly plan is good for you.
How much is it per month?
It's $35 each month.
Is there a joining fee?
Yes, $15. Only for the first month.
So the first month is $15.
That's right. After that, just $35.
What can I use with this membership?
All machines, the weight area, and the showers. You can also join our yoga and spin classes.
Nice. Do you have classes in the evening?
Yes, we do. I can give you the schedule.
Do you have lockers?
Yes, you can bring a lock or buy one here.
What do you need from me?
A photo ID and payment for the first month.
I have my ID and a card.
Perfect. We'll fill out this short form.
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. You're starting something new.
Thanks, Olivia. I feel better now.
You're welcome, Ethan. Welcome to PowerFit Gym.
Fixing a laptop. Hi there. Welcome to Tech Fix. How can I help you today?
Hi, my laptop is not working well. I think it needs help.
Okay, what's wrong with it?
First, the battery dies very fast, and it's also very slow.
Got it. Any problem with the screen?
Sometimes the screen flashes, just for a second.
I see. Do you have your laptop with you?
Yes, it's right here in my bag.
Great. Can I take a look?
Sure, here you go.
How old is this laptop?
About 4 years old.
Okay, I'll run a quick check. This will take a minute.
No problem. I can wait.
The battery is very weak, and the storage is almost full.
Oh, that explains why it's so slow.
Yes, we can replace the battery and clean the system.
Will that fix the screen too?
The flashing is small. We'll check the screen cable as well.
Okay, that sounds good.
The total price will be around $120.
And how long will it take?
We can finish it by tomorrow afternoon.
That's fine for me.
One more thing. Your files should be safe.
So, you won't delete my data, right?
No, we won't, but we always suggest a backup.
I understand. I'll back up when I get it home.
Perfect. Please write your name and phone number here.
Sure. Here you go.
Great, Adam. We'll text you when it's ready.
Thank you, Lena. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. We'll take good care of it. First day in the city. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please, sit down.
Thank you. I'm a little tired.
Long day?
Yes, it's my first day in this city.
Oh, welcome. Which city did you live in before?
I lived in Madrid. I moved here yesterday.
Wow, that's a big change. How do you feel?
Excited, but also scared.
Scared of what?
My English. I understand a lot, but speaking is hard.
Your English sounds good to me.
Thank you, but I always worry.
What do you worry about?
I worry people won't understand me, or they will think I am stupid.
Hey, you are not stupid at all. You moved to a new country. That's brave.
Sometimes my mind is empty. I know the words, but they don't come out.
That happens to everyone, even to native speakers.
Really?
Sure. When we're nervous, we forget words too.
So, what should I do?
Start small. Say simple things. Like, good morning. How are you? Can you help me?
One step at a time?
Exactly. One small conversation each day.
I guess this is my first one.
Yes, and you're doing great.
Thank you, Mark. I feel a little better now.
I'm glad. And remember, your accent is not a problem.
You really think so?
I do. Your accent tells your story.
I like that. My accent is my story.
Welcome to your new chapter, Olivia.
Roommate talk.
Hey, Sarah, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's going on?
I wanted to talk about our bills. I don't want any confusion later.
Good idea. Which bill first?
Let's start with the rent. The total is $1,000.
So we pay $500 each every month.
Right. I can send my part by bank transfer.
Perfect. I'll pay the landlord from my account.
Next is the internet bill. It's $60 this month.
Okay, so 30 for you and 30 for me.
Yes, I can give you cash for that.
That works. What about electricity?
The last bill was $80.
So we each pay 40.
Exactly.
Do you want to pay everything together now?
Yes, that's easier for me. I'll send you $570 in total.
Rent, internet, and electricity. Got it.
Could you send me a message when you get it?
Sure. I'll text you right away.
Thanks. I just like to keep things clear.
Me too. It keeps the peace at home.
Maybe we should write all bills in a notebook.
Or use a shared app on our phones.
Good idea. We can start this month.
Thanks for talking about this now.
No problem. Roommate teamwork, right?
Right. Teamwork.
Buying a SIM card.
Hello, excuse me.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
I need a SIM card for my phone.
Sure. Are you visiting or do you live here?
I just arrived yesterday. I'll stay for 1 month.
Welcome. Then a tourist SIM is perfect for you.
What does it include?
It has 15 gigabytes of data and local calls and texts.
Is that enough for maps and WhatsApp?
Yes, for most people it's more than enough.
It's $25 for 30 days, no contract.
Okay, that sounds good.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I just need it to register the SIM.
No problem. Will my phone work here?
If it's unlocked, yes. What phone do you have?
It's an unlocked Samsung.
Perfect. I'll put the SIM in and activate it.
Will I keep all my photos and apps?
Yes, nothing changes. Only your phone number.
Good. I was a bit worried about that.
Totally normal. Many travelers ask the same thing.
How do I check my data later?
You can dial this short number or use this app.
Okay, I'll save it. Is it active now?
Yes, you should have signal already.
I see it. That was fast.
Great. You can pay by card or cash.
I'll pay by card, please.
All set. Welcome again and enjoy your stay here.
Thank you, Emily. Now I won't get lost.
Curious about your job. Hi, excuse me. Is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free. You can sit.
Thanks. This place is so packed.
Yeah, tech people everywhere.
I'm Ava, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ava. I'm Liam.
Do you work in tech or are you a student?
I work in tech. I'm a web developer.
Oh, wow. You build websites.
Yes, mostly websites and small web apps.
That sounds cool. What kind of apps?
Simple ones for booking classes, tracking tasks, things like that.
I always wanted to know, is coding very hard?
It can be hard, but you learn step by step.
I tried one online course. I got stuck and stopped.
That happens to everyone. Getting stuck is normal.
Really? I thought it was just me.
No, trust me. Even I get stuck almost every day.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. The trick is to keep going and ask for help.
Is that why you come to events like this?
Yes, I learn new things and meet people who do the same work.
Are there any talks here for beginners?
Yes, at 4 p.m., there's a Start Coding Today session in Room B.
That sounds perfect for me.
You should go. They explain everything in simple language.
Do you think someone like me can really learn to code?
Absolutely. If you practice a little every day, you'll improve.
Thanks, Liam. You're very encouraging.
You're welcome. I remember being new. I was scared too.
And now you build real apps. That's inspiring.
One step at a time. You can do it as well.
Okay, I'll go to that session at 4.
Great choice. If you have questions later, come find me.
I will. Nice to meet you, Liam.
Nice to meet you too, Ava. Enjoy the event.
Joining a basketball club.
Hi, is this the place for the basketball club?
Yes, it is. Are you interested in joining?
Yes, I am. I just moved to the city.
Welcome. Do you have any experience playing?
A little. I played for fun at school.
That's great. We have beginner and mixed level groups.
I'm a bit nervous. Everyone looks very good here.
Don't worry. Many new players feel the same at first.
Really? That makes me feel better.
We focus on simple drills, passing, and team play.
That sounds perfect. When do you train?
We practice on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7 p.m.
I can come after work. Is there a fee?
Yes, it's $30 per month. That includes all practices.
Do I need my own ball?
We have balls here, but you can bring your own if you like.
And what about clothes?
Just wear sports shoes, shorts, and a t-shirt for now.
Okay, that's easy. How do I sign up?
I just need your name, phone number, and email.
My name is Sophie Clark. I can write my details here.
Perfect. You can also join a free trial today if you want.
A free trial? That's nice. I think I'll try it.
Great. We start in 15 minutes. You can warm up with the others.
Thank you, Mark. I'm still a bit shy, but also excited.
That's normal. After a few sessions, you'll feel right at home.
I hope so. See you on the court.
See you out there, Sophie.